Hey there everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a good day. So here we're going to take a small dive into focus stacking. I'm using a Z7 II. It has focus shift shooting built into it, so you can pick how many shots you want, the focus step width, interval, all that good stuff. Now your camera might not have this, but if it doesn't, you can always just do it manually with a manual focus lens and just change your focus a tiny bit between each shot, and you get the same results as long as you're patient. And another rule you need to abide by is do not do this when it is windy out, because it will wreck your images and nothing will align right for you. So either use a light box or a very calm windless day and you'll get better results. Now a cool thing you can do is whenever you watch your camera take the photos, if you have it on automatic like my camera, you can watch the focus step move a tiny bit in the focus window. Now as soon as you get all your images taken, just import them in the Lightroom, and that's where we will begin our little tutorial. Okay, so here we got 8 photos that I took using focus shift shooting on my Nikon, and what it does is it moves the focal point forward or backward a millimeter or two for each frame, so that each photo, a little bit different part of the object is in focus. So you see right here on this petal it's in focus. The next frame, a little bit further up, is in focus. You got the tips of the leaves in focus. So whenever we want to stack these, you select all the photos you want to stack. So we got 8 right here. Right click, got to edit in, open as layers in Photoshop. Then the bottom right here, it will list every frame you have that's opening as a layer. Okay, now that they're all in Photoshop, you got to make sure you highlight all the frames. You can do that by clicking one, hold shift, and then click the top one. And you click edit, auto align layers. Leave it on auto, just click OK. So here we have them all auto aligned, and now we want to smash them all together as one frame. So make sure they're still all selected. Go back up to edit, auto blend, stack images, seamless tones and colors, click OK. Okay, now that we have everything aligned and layered and stacked and good to go, we have the image we're looking for. So now we have to save it, and it always works best to save it as a PSB file. Then you just click save, and then just click save. And up here it'll show how much it's saving, what percent it's at. And once it's finished, it should automatically be in your Lightroom. Now, this has a little bit of a white border around it because we did not have it do content aware fill when we were importing. So when you go to develop it, crop in a smidge, whatever you wish, call that good. And now you have the whole flower, a nice crisp focus all the way around. Then, since this is a PSB file, you can edit it as anything else. And if your camera doesn't have its own version of focus shift shooting, you can always do this manually. Just adjust your manual focus yourself and bump it a smidge every time. You can still get pretty good results with that. So if you enjoyed this and it was useful for you, please hit that like, thumbs up, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you next time.